bit, but it's fine. What's in the box?
It's a surprise. It's an early Christmas present. You want to open it?
Oh, another lizard.
Do you like it or love it?
I love it, I guess.
Okay, so now that Lucky's gone, we can put the lizard in Lucky's old tank. What do you think?
Okay.
Great. I'll put him in his cage. Or do you want to hold him a little bit longer?
No, it's okay.
Finish your lunch, and I'll be back to check on you in a minute. Hey, are you done with lunch?
Yeah.
Why don't you play with your new friend for a little while? I'll take your lunch back. Check on you in a few.
Oh, please. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Just wait until Mom finds out. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Oh my god! Oh, it's just a toy. Oh wait! This might work, this might fool Mom.
Why aren't you playing with the lizard?
Oh, well, he didn't look well, so I put him back in his cage.
Oh, we have to go to the vet. He does not look good. Let's go. Come on, get the keys. Don't worry, sweetie. It'll be okay. The vet's going to look at the lizard. He'll know exactly what's wrong with him. He'll know what to do. Don't worry, okay? I love you. Hurry up, get the box. I'll go get the doctor. Hurry up.
Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Mom, the lizard got away!
Sweetheart, God, I feel so bad. I'm so sorry about your lizard!